Staying visible on the road is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve riding safety, and these red mini license plate reflectors are designed to do exactly that. Compact, durable, and easy to install, they add an extra layer of visibility to your motorcycle without changing its clean look or requiring complex modifications. This set includes 4 red reflectors, each supplied with a spring and butterfly nut for quick and secure mounting. They bolt directly onto the license plate, making installation fast and tool-friendly even for riders with minimal mechanical experience. Once installed, the reflectors stay firmly in place while remaining easy to remove or adjust when needed. Made from rust-proof materials, these reflectors are built to handle real-world riding conditions. Rain, road spray, humidity, and changing temperatures will not compromise their appearance or performance. Their durable construction helps ensure long-term reliability, whether your bike is used for daily commuting or weekend rides. Proudly made in the U.S.A. They reflect a focus on quality materials and consistent manufacturing standards. These mini reflectors are not only functional but also versatile. While this set comes in red, the design is also available in amber, blue, and green, allowing riders to choose a color that best suits their style or specific visibility needs. As a subtle addition to the license plate area, they enhance rear visibility without overpowering the bike's original design. Manufactured by Chris Products, part number CH4R, these reflectors are a popular safety upgrade among riders who value both practicality and ease of use. Many users appreciate the quick fastener system and the added confidence that comes from being more easily seen by other drivers. If you are looking for a simple, affordable way to improve motorcycle visibility and add a quality safety feature, these red mini license plate reflectors are a smart choice. Click the link in the video description to check current availability and color options, and subscribe to the channel to discover more motorcycle accessories designed to make every ride safer and more enjoyable.